Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when the sound from your earbuds shutters or is intermittent. Firstly, I recommend to check is your phone have the latest software version. You need to check it. And if you haven't, update it. I haven't it. Okay, next step is to perform a soft reset. Put your earbuds to the charging case. You can close the case or open the lid if your earbuds inside the case, meaning that your earbuds are disconnected from your phone. After that, you remove them from your phone and you need to check is it fixed. If it doesn't, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, firstly, you need to remove your earbuds from your charging case. Second, you need to remove your earbuds from your phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device or unpair, or maybe you have remove, it depends of the phone, and forget device. Then, at the back side of each earbud, at the top, we have controls. You need to press and hold both of them simultaneously for at least 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. Now you can release your fingers and then put your earbuds to the charging case. After that, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top. But not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to go back and return to the Bluetooth like on iOS, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have a refresh button. You need to tap at this button. Then remove your earbuds from the charging case and your earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. You will see them at the device list and you need to tap on them. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!